there, I'm Susan Berkley with the Inside Voiceover video training blog. And people often ask me, Susan, if you had it to do all over again, what is the one niche voiceover market you'd go after? And I say it's e-learning by a long shot, because you have no idea how huge this market is. So in 2015, it was a $107 billion market. And they're projecting that by 2025, it's going to go up to $325 billion. I mean, we can't even conceive of how much work there is in the e-learning marketplace. In corporate America, they have what are called learning management systems. Now, these are online corporate universities where if you have a day job, you might have participated in those. You go there to take training. All of the corporate training manuals are there. People are sitting there recording this stuff day in and day out. Huge market, huge opportunity for you. There are something called MOOCs, which are massive open online courses. A lot of this is free, but someone was paid to do all of the recording. You can learn a language there. You can learn coding. It's all out there and it's all online. Of course, schools are using e-learning now. Everything from primary on to college education. You can get your entire degree online. You can partner with instructional designers. These are the people who are going to hire you for your services, and you need to find them. You need to make them your friends and form professional relationships with them. So what are the top 5 qualities of a successful e-learning narrator? Well, the first one, I think, is your English needs to be neutral. Your speech should be clear, easily understood. If you're speaking Spanish, of course, it should be neutral Spanish as well. You yourself have to be curious. You got to be into this stuff and be able to make complicated technical material sound easy. Your voice should be easy to listen to because there's going to be a lot of it. So you should be a smooth reader. You shouldn't have any trouble with lots and lots of text, and you should be fluid, which means you don't break down, you don't make a lot of mistakes, because otherwise it's just going to take you forever to get through these enormous scripts. And of course, you need broadcast quality audio. So what's not to love? I suggest you go after the e-learning niche if you're just starting out. And I'm Susan Berkley. Be back with more next week on Inside Voiceover.